Morning everybody. Now we are going to discuss about democracy. United States 16th president was Abraham Lincoln. He served from 1861 to 1865. He defined democracy as the government of the people, by the people, for the people. What is democracy? The citizens of a country select their representatives through election. They take part in the direct governance of a country. This is termed democracy. In a democratic form of government, a considerable amount of power lies with the people of that nation. The people can participate in the politics of the country and the decision-making processes. There are two types of democracy. One is direct democracy and the other is representative democracy. In a direct democracy, the people have the power to frame the laws. All the changes in the laws have to be approved by them. The politician only rule over the parliamentary producers. In representative democracy, the people elect their own representatives by means of election. The elected representatives frame the rules and laws. This kind of direct democracy is in practice Switzerland. Switzerland has had a long history of successful direct democracy. This kind of representative democracy is in practice in India, USA and England. There are basically two forms of democratic government systems, parliamentary democracy and presidential democracy. India and England a parliamentary form of government, USA and Canada a presidential form of government. What is meant by democratic decision making? In a democratic system, the power to take decisions does not lie with the head. On the contrary, a group holds the power but adheres to the rules and regulations. The members of the group hold open discussions. They take final decisions only when everyone is convinced. This process is called democratic decision making. If we want to live peacefully, all of us should follow some rules and regulations. The Constitution of India guides us and it plays a major role in maintaining law and order. Our Constitution has provided us with certain rights. The right to freedom, the right is equality and justice are ensured by our Constitution. Indian Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. It was drafted by the drafting committee of the Constituent Assembly. It was headed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. That is why we call him the chief architect of our Constitution. So, Dr. Ambedkar is called father of Indian Constitution. In a democracy, the power is rested in the hands of the people. But everyone cannot take part in decision making. All those who have attained the age of 18 have the right to elect their representatives by voting. The representative to have responsibility to protect the welfare of the people. It has been found that 79% of the Indian citizens have faith in the democratic system. Hence, India ranks first among the democratic countries of the world. In our country, all citizens above 18 years of age are allowed to vote. This is called universal adult franchise.